Hi guys, this is Amin, and this is a little showcase of my ability inside Unreal Engine and C++. As you can see, I can write a bunch of code for character logic, enhance input, interactable object inside Unreal, and so many other things. Let me show you the scene I created, the game I created, the test scene actually I have created to showcase my abilities inside Unreal. Okay, let's switch inside Unreal. As you can see, um, as I told you, I can program interactable objects, the character, the environment. Um, if a character want to from go from somewhere to elsewhere, and so many other things. And for example, if you see these coins before the game starts, it's all the same, but I programmed it to, it has a coin type, and I programmed it to change in runtime from a gold and silver. The silver gives you uh, 50 score, and the gold one gives you 100 score. See, if I overlap with this one, I get, and the total score become 50, and the gold one, the yellow one, it adds 100 scores to the total score of the character. And I implement this score inside the game instance, because game instance is a persistent class throughout the game. And that's it. That's it. And the good thing about, let me add this. The good thing about enhanced input, you can add mapping input. You know, it's really better than the old ways or legacy way, because a character can be in a walk mode or on the ground mode, in the car mode, swimming mode, and we can change it really easily. And I can do this inside Unreal Engine. That's it. Hope you enjoy. Goodbye.